Hello everybody, it is Tuesday the 16th of July 2019 and I am just south of Keighley, overlooking the Aire Valley, and that straight ahead is the abomination. It is the Jaytail farm wind turbine, one that I've been monitoring. It's not moving again. It's not moved an iota for, I'd say, a good 4 or 5 months now. We're getting ever so close to a 6-month time, and we're getting to the point where I'm going to write to Bradford Council, and I may include this video as evidence. You can see the wind is blowing pretty strongly. Almost every other turbine in the vicinity, including all the ones at Ovenden Moor and Soil Hill, are all going round. It's far away, but you can see how massive it is, how inappropriate it is, and how still it is. It's not doing anything. It's useless. It's been useless for 5 months. Now, what's important is that the planning permission clearly states that if it's not used to generate electricity in 6 months, it must come down. Well, it's getting very, very near that time now, if it hasn't indeed already elapsed. And I want that enforced, and I'll kind of enforce it myself, because that has no legal right to be there after 6 months. Now, this isn't just about a vendetta, it's about a case study. I was lucky enough, or unlucky enough, to see this from a similar viewpoint, just around the other side of the valley, of the Worth Valley, and I saw it on the day it was being built, and I rushed over and I caught it on film. So I've followed this one since its inception. I can still remember the day. It was February the 1st, because it was the day I started a new job, and the job just happened to take me to Keighley. So it's funny how it all works. But I remember it. And obviously now it's only July, so it's less than 2.5 years. It's not been working shortly after about February. Barely lasted 2 years. No one even seems to have fixed it or done anything to it. They've just left it there. So it does raise all sorts of questions. In fact, the chap who put it up there actually responded to my email. I believe his name is Matthew Tidmarsh. And if by any chance you're watching, Matthew, you were boasting about your good work and how good it was for the planet and the environment. Well, it's not really doing a lot, is it? Is that shoddy workmanship on your side? What's going on there? Do you want to spill the beans? Why is it not working? And, you know, there is a deeper point, which is, as I've said in many videos, but I'll say it again, just in case it's the first time people have seen it, it's about sustainability, and it's about bad technology impacting on nature. Look at this view. That should not be there. It should not be there. It's degraded this iconic view of Ilkley Moor. This is an actual viewpoint where I'm at now, and you know, it's ruined it for nothing. For nothing.